Hi. What did you think of the volcano show?
It was awesome. It was
Really
awesome.
great. My top show of all the shows I've seen here.
It was terrific.
Had a great time.
It was awesome. They sounded amazing. We are huge Buffett fans, and this was such a treat.
What did you think of the volcano show?
Amazing.
Wonderful.
Really good.
Glad you liked
Great
it.
band and great sound as always.
Oh, it was awesome. These guys were great. I've seen Jimmy 17 times when I travel all around to see him, and these guys were fantastic.